Hi, Pastor Tim. I just wanted to greet you a very, very blessed birthday. I know God is doing so many different things in your life, and I can't wait for more. I am so blessed that He has given you to me as my mentor, and I love you.
Happy birthday, Pastor Tim. Pastor, thank you so much sa pagbigay mo sa akin ng freedom of choice. I really appreciate it. And salamat na 12 years ago, I had no personal vision and mission. Ngayon, kasama mo ako sa vision and mission na binigay ng God sa'yo. Happy birthday and I love you.
Happy birthday, Pastor Tim! And thank you that you are my pastor, very faithful and generous. And happy birthday again, Pastor!
Binabati ka namin, Pastor, ng masayang kaarawan at pagpalain ka ng Diyos mula sa iyong kalusugan at nais mo sa amin na mapabuti ang bawat isa at dahil sa iyo kaya kami nandito upang magpasalamat at binabati muli ka namin ng Happy birthday, Pastor!
Si Pastor Tim ay coach, life coach, financial coach, and even yung pag-handle ng conflict with people. So Pastor Tim, believe ako sa iyo sa commitment mo sa tao at yung pag-accept mo sa tao, kagaya ng pag-accept mo sa akin. Time na binibigay mo, especially sa mentoring, I feel loved. So, happy birthday! Enjoy your day!
Happy birthday, Pastor Tim, and thank you sa pag-care mo sa akin. Hindi ko makakalimutan yung sinabi mo sa akin noon na hindi ako malulugi kay God, kaya talagang totoo naman yun. So, salamat sa encouragement, sa advices, sa prayers, and ikaw yung aking father sa church. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Hi, Pastor. I really thank God na ikaw ang naging mentor and boss ko kasi ang hilig mong magpagawa ng mga imposibleng bagay. And because of that, natuto ako na not to rely on my own strength, on my own abilities, sa sarili kong galing, kundi sa galing ni God. So, thank you so much. I've grown during the years that I worked under you. Happy birthday!
Hi! Happy birthday! We love you so much and we will see you very, very soon. We hope you enjoy your special day and you're just a big blessing to everyone, and we hope that you can feel the love that we have for you on this special day. Not just today, but all the time. Have a blast!
Happy birthday, Pastor!
Happy birthday, Pastor! Thank you. Thank you for everything. Thank you sa love mo. Thank you sa care mo. Thank you sa paggalaw ni God sa buhay mo, sa grace niya. Because of that, na-flow mo to, na-overflow mo to. Yan. Grabe, more than words. Thank you talaga. So, happy birthday again, Pastor. I love you!
Pastor, happy birthday! Nagpapasalamat ako at naging parte ako ng tahanang ito at ikaw ang aking pangalawang ama. Salamat dahil nandyan ka parate. Salamat din sa mga help and advice mo sa akin. At malaking bagay sa akin ang modelo. Kaya minumodel kita sa life ko. Unang-una yung pagiging gentleman mo at pangalawa yung pag-honor mo kay God. At gusto kong maranasan yon. At salamat dahil nandyan ka upang alalayan ako sa aking journey patungo at papunta kay Lord. Happy birthday, Pastor, and I love you.
Hi, Tim! Happy birthday! Nagpapasalamat ako kay God dahil binigay ka niya sa akin bilang pastor ko, a leader ko, at saka brother. Thank you sa pag-aalaga mo sa akin spiritually, and thank you sa pag-guide mo. Thank you for stretching me sa work. And thank you very much. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Pastor Tim! Masaya ako na nakilala kita sa buhay ko. Ikaw ang isa sa pinaka-importanting lalaki. Salamat sa vision, mission na binigay mo. Dahil sa'yo, nagkaroon ng direction ang buhay ko. Happy birthday!
Hi, Pastor! Thank you for being my second dad. Thank you for teaching me about grace. And maraming salamat sa pag-mentor mo sa akin and binigyan mo ako ng oras mo. Maraming salamat na binigyan mo ako ng part ng buhay mo. Happy birthday, Pastor. I love you.
I appreciate Pastor Tim for the genuine love that he showers me with. He's my pastor, he's my father, he's my brother, he's my friend, all rolled into one. Happy birthday, Pastor Tim.
Happy birthday, Pastor. I thank God na ikaw yung naging pastor ko at ikaw yung naging mentor ko. Thank you na lagi kang available kapag kailangan ka namin. Happy birthday!
Where do I start? Hey, Tim. Sometimes I can't believe, I've only known you for such a short time. Feels like I've known you all my life. And, when I first met you, I was thinking it was so great that I could find a peer that I could talk to. And then, as I got to know you, I was thankful that I found a friend that I could share being a father with. Share the joy, share the pride, the funny moments, and the hardships. What I'm really thankful for is that I have found a brother. You've been the channel of God in my life. Happy birthday. I know you have many blessings to come in your life. Like you always say, you build His house and He will build your house. So, I love you, man.
Abba, I thank Jesus for you. And I love you. Thank you for spending time with me and playing superhero with me. I love you. Thank you for blessing me and teaching me the Word of God and correcting me. I love you, Abba, and I receive your love. Happy birthday, Abba. That's why I'm wise.
Pastor Tim, my husband is really a one-of-a-kind man. Very extraordinary. Unang-una, I can say na he is a true disciple ni Jesus. Kung talagang pina-follow niya si Jesus, ang life niya umuikot kay God and the church. He's a wise man of God. Kung ano ang pinipreach niya, ginagawa niya. He's a man of integrity. And then, he's very committed. Committed to help people grow. Yun talaga yung heart niya. And I thank the Lord for you, honey. Buti na lang, ikaw yung naging asawa ko. Very loving ka, very caring kay Zion at sa akin. Very good father, very good son-in-law. And I am so blessed na naging part ng family mo. And I want to honor you, and I want to say I appreciate you so much. Happy birthday.